guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve day 10 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today I am going to solve problem number 1051, height checker. Okay, so it is very easy problem actually. So in this problem we have given a school. Okay, so in this school we are trying to take an annual photo for all the students, and the students are asked to stand in a single file line in non-decreasing order by height. Okay, so let this ordering be represented by the integer array expected, where expected I is the expected height of the ith student in line. Okay, and this expected I should be in increasing order. Okay, so you are given an integer array height representing the current order that the students are standing in. Okay, this is the current order. Each height I is the height of the ith student in the line. We have to return the number of integers where height of I is not equal to expected of I. Okay, so it's very simple, right? So this is a heights array and this is the expected array. Okay, so see, all the students are standing in based on the increasing order of their height. So here this 4 is not matching with this 1. Okay, so 1. Here this 1 is not matching with this 3. Here this 3 is not matching with this 4. Okay, so indices 2, 4 and 5 do not match. So how many total indices which are not matching here? 3. So output is 3. Okay, so let's write the code. Okay, so first we are going to, let's calculate the size of this heights array. Okay, let's dot length, then create one new array, expected array. Okay, of same length as of my heights array. And then run one for loop, and in this for loop let's assign all the values. Okay, so here I am writing expected of I is equal to heights of I. Okay, this is done. Then after that just do the sorting, expected. Okay, then after that again run one loop, and here inside that we have to check if expected of I is not matching with the heights of I. Okay, in that case we have to just increment the count. Okay, so let's create one variable count and initialize it with 0, and in the end after this for loop we have to just return the count. Okay, that's it. Now let's run the code. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. So time complexity for this problem, see here we are running this loop of n times. Okay, so here it is taking of n, and here we are sorting, right? So for this it is going to take of n log n, of n log n, and here again we are running one loop for n times. So here also we are taking of n. Okay, so overall time complexity is going to be of n plus of n log n plus of n. Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please write in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Thank you. Bye bye.